Before you even think about making any money with meme coins, you need to stop losing money. The easiest way people lose money with meme coins is just falling for rugs. And they're getting a bit more advanced, but thankfully the trading terminals we use are always a step ahead, but you need to know how to use them properly. So let's get straight into it. I'm using GMGN. You'll see it in the link below in the pinned comments. And now when you go on trenches in the top left, I've not added any filters here. Click on any coin and we're going to open it up and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to look for. This is a coin called Sapiens. And you can see the chart. Those of you who have more experience, you can see that this is a very inorganic chart. It's a fake looking chart. You can tell from the volume below. And it's only when you've seen, tens of hundreds of charts. But those of you a bit newer, you might think, well, it looks okay. There's dips and there's peaks and it seems like the price is pumping up. So how can we be sure? Well, all you need to do is scroll down and don't look at this side. Like I mentioned in another video, this all looks great. Look, everything's in green tick marks everywhere. Fishing low, top 10 is fine, dead percentage, snipers, insiders, everything looks completely normal, but that's the wrong place to check. So don't even bother to look there anymore. Better scroll straight down to holders. Here's the key. Here's where you see everything you need to know. You'll see many wallets highlighted in red. And any of these, if you hover over them, around here, you'll see this little clock sign. And this is time linked funding. What this basically means is there's many different wallets were funded at exactly the same time. Sometimes you see it here as well. Wallet created, you'll see several wallets created on the exact same day. Otherwise, they're quite difficult to pick up because you can see that these are not like old school scams where everything was the same kind of wallet balance and stuff like that. These have different holding percentages. One is 1.2%, one is 1%, etc. So they're not holding the same amount of the coin. However, one thing that makes it easier is their current sold balance in this particular coin happens to be the same. It's all 0.05. But in many others, you'll see it different and all over the place. But these are the main signs. And then the other thing you can see, sometimes you see it here on top traders, but not always. You can sometimes see that a lot of the ones that have made a little bit of money, they're fresh wallets. You can see here. So this the green leaf sign shows you that it's a completely fresh wallet. So many flags. You only need one of these and you know straight away, right, this is a waste of time. And remember, when you've got experience, this only takes a couple of seconds. You have a look at the chart, scroll down, okay, scam, go on the next one. That's it. Now, if you want to see exactly why, if you hover over here at bubble, click on it and get the Insight X bubble maps, and you can see this is exactly why. Look at this massive cluster. When it's highlighted like this and colored, it means these wallets are linked. And if I click on them, I can see the entire cluster is 75%. So this is a more obvious rug. But if we go back on here and we click on some of these migrated coins, we can check those as well. Same thing again. Well, we can see now that this particular one was a rug after the fact. But you can see before that is running up, didn't look like anything crazy. And then this what happens when it's coordinated wallets like this. It's just one click for them and then it suddenly rugs and you're like, whoa, what the hell happened over there? Let's find some others. This one's called organized crime, which is ironic. And this one you can see, well, I mean, you can see here this, in terms of holders, all time linked wallets again. See that? Time link. A lot of wallets created at the same time, either 16 days ago or 54 days ago. So it seems to be different clusters. Again, everything here looking okay. Click on the bubble maps and you can see the clusters. Massive one there in the middle. Click on it and you can see this was coordinated funding. And remember, you don't need loads and loads of clusters to rug a coin, especially lower market cap coins. It doesn't take much at all. Now, the other telltale sign is so obvious on this chart, but on other charts is less obvious. So you need to make sure you go here on the left and click on 1 second chart, because what you're looking for is in that first second, you want to see this coin run to usually 10k, 20k. This ran like to 80 or 100k. So it's even more obvious. What that means is all these wallets bought and bundled right at the beginning. That's what that means. Previously, what people do, I mean, people still do this, but previously what people would do, maybe one wallet would buy it and then send it to many other wallets. And then you'll see things like this phishing rate go up really high to like 70-80%. But again, the ruggers, they're trying to stay ahead of the tools, but the tools are still way ahead. It's just a lot of people, they don't know how to use the tools properly, because if you look all over this page, it's millions of data points. So use them. And to be honest, to save all of this, just the total fees here is one of the biggest ones. Like nothing should be at 60-70k market cap and stuff and have only 0.01 in fees paid. That's obviously a scam, because a legit coin, the fees would be 4 sol, 5 sol, 10 sol and upwards now as the market cap rises. Hope that's clear. And it's important to understand that, even if you're not using all of these different tools, because then when you come to trade, set up your filters, it all makes a lot more sense what you're looking for, because you understand the fees, you understand bundlers, bundling percentage, market caps, exactly what you're looking for in terms of filters. And then we can look at strategies. Then we can jump on here and we can be like, well, I mean, this is a scam coin, but we can look at support levels, we can look at fib retracements, we can look at the RSI. And that's when it gets really, really interesting, because you're looking for a pump, looking for a pullback, and you're looking to buy into that pullback. And I'll do a couple of strategy videos as well very soon. So make sure you subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.